i35equipment.com. This is Caterpillar 320D LRR hydraulic track excavator. Welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to accompany if you like. We're open by appointment only and shown by appointment only, so give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number is 405-833-6437. As you see, it has 5 working work lights across the front. Real nice feature. Also has that headache rack / roof guard on it. Keep your operator safe in case of an accident. Does have the Caterpillar bucket. Has good power. If you'd like a hauling quote, just send your full delivery address over. We'll share it with several callers and a nationwide broker and get back the best hauling rate that comes back to us. It's always welcome to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. This machine is pre-plumbed with a hydraulic quick attach. So if that's something you want to add in the future, it does have a full cap factory HVAC. Also has that Lincoln quick lube system on it. Also has a reduced tail swing counterweight on it. That way, if you're working next to a trees or a structure, you're less likely to swing into it. Pretty nice feature to have. We do specialize in consignment sales here, so if you or somebody you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call or fill out the form on the website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. We help you get your machinery sold. You see this machine has good digging power, a nice long stick for digging deep or reaching high if you're doing demolition. We also have manual thumbs available. Adding a thumb to your machine allows you to not only dig and scoop, but to grab and load and pull down. So if you're doing demolition or loading rocks, pulling trees, that's the benefits of a thumb. As you can see behind him over here, we have a long line of thumbs available at this time, as well as other buckets. You can see our full inventory of buckets and thumbs online, www.i35equipment.com. Dual travel speeds, you can see it just kicked up there. Real nice to have to get across the pasture or the job site. All right, let's check out the bucket, the stick, the motor, and then we'll clamp in the operator station and take a look around once he leaves. Like I said, that is a Caterpillar bucket, 5 teeth on it. There's your lines for your quick attach system if that's something you want to add in the future. Check out the undercarriage over here. Caterpillar pump. Looks like it was serviced out at 7701 hours. Across the operator station there. Caterpillar 6.4 liter motor. I'm looking at it now. I didn't recognize it or notice it when we were down below, but I think this machine does have auxiliary hydraulics on it. Let's verify that together. Yeah. So there's your auxiliary hydraulics. They're capped off on the boom instead of coming all the way down the stick here. So, yep, if you wanted to add hydraulic thumb or other attachment, you could. Really nice feature to have. Adds a lot of value to the machine to someone who's interested in that. let's check out this panel. Like the excavator style controls, or if you prefer a backhoe style. Alright. Gonna zoom on out to the fisheye lens here. Give us a good view of the interior. So that's that factory rubber floor mat. And the looks like the Caterpillar seat to me. So he had the heater on in here. That's working. Let's see. Yeah, these are your auxiliary hydraulic controls. And then for work lights, travel speed, and etc. Let's see if this radio is working. Put it on a station that I'm familiar with. Let's see, is that right? FM. Alright, HVAC back here. It's a little cloudy. Let's go ahead. Okay, there we go. Yeah, nice. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and crank up the heat. Yeah, he's got it all the way up still. Okay, doke. This side. Here's your control handle. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope this video is beneficial to you. As always, you see our full and up-to-date inventory equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. One last thing, hour meter down here. So you see all the specs, all the info on our website, www.i35equipment.com. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.